After the shooting in 2022, the district attorney's office drew criticism over its handling of a 2021 case involving the shooter. This is video from the arrest that day. DA Michael Allen said his office could not take the case to trial because key witnesses would not cooperate. The charges were dropped. At that time, the El Paso County Sheriff's Office seized the shooter's weapons under a mandatory protection order. The Sheriff's Office said the shooter requested to get their guns back after the charges from the 2021 case were dropped. The Sheriff's Office denied that request. Tonight, we are taking a closer look at the state's red flag laws, or extreme risk protection orders, and just how often they're used. News 5's Allison Zimmerman walks us through the background of these laws and the data.
Let's take you back to 2018. That's when the state legislature first introduced its red flag law. The law allows a judge to remove someone's weapons if they are deemed a risk to themselves or others. It failed in Colorado's divided state capital, with Democrats in control of the House and Republicans in control of the Senate. In 2019, Democrats controlled both chambers and the red flag law was passed. In 2023, state lawmakers expanded just who can file these petitions. Previously, family members or roommates, as well as law enforcement agencies, could file these. The 2023 law extended the list of petitioners to educators, school administrators, healthcare professionals, including mental health professionals, and clarified that district attorneys are included in law enforcement. But just how often do these get used? For context, there are two different types of these petitions. There's a temporary extreme risk protection order, which could temporarily take away someone's weapons for about 14 days as they await a hearing for a full extreme risk protection order. And when that is put in place, it takes away someone's guns for up to 364 days. Now, we collected data from January of 2020 when this law first went into effect up until October of last year. In that time, there were more than 500 of these petitions filed across the state. Denver County had the most, with more than 160 petitions filed. Now, when this law went into effect, 39 of the state's 64 counties declared themselves Second Amendment sanctuary counties, or Second Amendment preservation counties, where they said this law would not be enforced. El Paso County was one of those counties, and as of October of last year, 70 of these petitions had been filed in the county, 17 had been granted, 9 of them were initiated by law enforcement. Now, I did reach out to the courts today to try and get some updated numbers. I'll let you know when I hear back. Allison Zimmerman, News 5.